The impact of climate change in the Philippines. Philippines is one of the countries that are most vulnerable to the effect of climate change. The country experiences frequent typhoons, floods, droughts, and sea level rise, which are all exacerbated by the warming of the planet. Some of the specific climate change impacts that are happening in the Philippines include: First, rising sea levels. The Philippines is an archipelago made up of over 7,000 islands, and its coastal areas are at high risk of flooding and erosion due to rising sea levels. Second, increased frequency and severity of typhoons. The Philippines is located in an area that is particularly susceptible to typhoons, and climate change is expected to increase the frequency and severity of the storm. Third, droughts. Climate change is expected to cause more droughts in the Philippines, which will impact agriculture and water resources. Fourth, flooding. Heavy rainfall and typhoons are expected to become more frequent and intense in the Philippines, which can lead to widespread flooding. Fifth, impact on agriculture. The Philippines is an agricultural country, and climate change is expected to impact crop yields and lead to food insecurity. And the last one, impact on coral reefs and marine life. Rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification are affecting the coral reefs and marine life in the Philippines. Ways to prevent climate change. First, reduce greenhouse gas emission. The main cause of climate change is the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Reducing emission from sources such as transportation and power generation can help slow the rate of climate change. Second, increase energy efficiency. Simple changes like turning off lights when leaving a room and using energy-efficient appliances can help reduce the amount of energy consumed, which in turn can reduce emissions. Third, use renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower do not produce greenhouse gases, so increasing the use of this type of energy can help reduce emissions. Fourth, conserve water. Climate change is expected to lead to changes in precipitation patterns and water availability in many regions. Conserving water can help reduce the strain on resources and minimize the impact of water shortages. And the last one, plant trees and support reforestation. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so planting new trees and reforesting areas that have been deforested can help remove carbon from the atmosphere. We choose climate change because it is a pressing issue that affects the entire planet, and there are many reasons why it is important to take action, such as causing severe damage to natural systems, from melting ice caps and rising sea levels to more severe storms and droughts. Taking action on climate change is important for protecting the environment, improving public health, supporting economic growth, addressing social inequality, and meeting global obligations. I'm Alexa J. Bingco, the co-leader of WildTech. Thanks for watching.